we're solving problem 16 from the 2020 AMC 12B. Now note that we're not doing problem 15 because it was the same problem in the last test with only one solution, so there's being no point going over it again. A urn containing one red ball and one blue ball. Contains one red ball and one blue ball. A box of extra red and blue balls lie nearby. George performs the following operation 4 times. He draws a ball from the urn at random and then takes a ball of the same color from the box and returns those 2 matching balls to the urn. After 4 iterations, the urn contains 6 balls. What is the probability that the urn contains 3 balls of each color? So for this problem, what we intend to do at this point is, let's just find out how much ways there are to draw about the 4 balls. So there's 4 balls, and choose 2 is 6 ways. Now, why does this number 6 matter? Well, it's in the matter you draw the balls and return another one to the urn. So this ends up with 6 balls, total 3. Now, one of the most basic ways, we'll just assume it's completed this way, is if you draw out the red ball, add 1, draw out the red ball again, and then draw out the blue ball, and then draw out another blue ball. So this is the simplest iteration we have here. And now we can imagine that we want the total number of ways to do this. So the total number of ways to draw out balls like this is, in the urn there are 2 balls starting out, red and blue. So there's 2 ways to draw them out. Multiply them by the next step is, say you take one out and it's the blue one, and you put another blue one back in. Well, now there's 3 balls you can draw, 3 individual ones, and then say you draw the red one, and then red, and then so on. So this would be 4 times 5. This value here is 120. So there are 120 total ways to draw out these 4 balls. So we have those 120 ways to do this. And now, imagine we scrap this and we consider the initial instance where we have a red and blue ball. To draw out, draw out the red one. Let's just do red and blue. We know in this case that we're going to draw out the red, but there's only one of the red balls, so only one. But when another red ball gets added into the bin, there's 2 red balls you can draw. So this is 1 times 2. And once you've drawn the second one, you get 3 balls in there, which is desired. And the same goes for the blue, so you square this value. 1 times 2 squared is simply 4. Now, what we get when we divide 4 by 120 is equal to 1 over 30. But 1 over 30 is not our answer. It's not even in our answer choices. This is because we haven't considered the number of ways these balls can be drawn. So we've shown that there are 6 ways to draw these balls independently. So 6 times 1 over 30 gives you 1 over 5, or answer choice B on the test. That is our answer.